Okay, this video will show you how to solve simultaneous equations, such as the ones you could have gotten from Kirchhoff's laws on a TI-84 calculator. So right now, you can see that, some of these equations don't have all the currents and some of them have constants. And so what we need to do is first put all of the equations in the same format, which is some coefficient times I1 plus some coefficient times I2 plus some coefficient times I3 equals a constant. So for instance, this would just be 2I1 plus 3I2. And since there is no I3, I would put 0 I3, and I'll have to pull this negative 13 over, so add 13 to both sides, and you get positive 13 on the right-hand side. This second equation doesn't have an I1 term, so this is 0 I1 minus 2 I2 plus 1 I3, and then this plus 1 gets pulled over, so that becomes negative 1. And then this was the junction rule, I1 plus I2 equals I3, so that just becomes 1 I1 plus 1 I2, pull the I3 over, so that's minus 1 I3 equals 0. Okay, and what we're going to do is basically plug these values into our matrix. So matrix A will be a 3 by 3 matrix, and the first row will just have these coefficients. So it'll just be 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1. Okay, and then matrix B will just be a 3 by 1 matrix, and it'll be these things. So it's 13, minus 1, 0. So to do that on your calculator, okay, you can go here to second matrix, okay, and you want to edit matrix A, and you want matrix A to be a 3 by 3. So this is 3 by 3, okay, and you'll see that now it has 9 spots, and you just plug this in. So this is 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1. All right, so matrix A is in there. And now I want to get to matrix B. So again, second matrix, and then I want to edit matrix B. Okay, and B is a 3 by 1, so that's cool. And so for here, I have positive 13, negative 1, and 0. All right, now I can get out of that, and this is just my regular home screen. And what you want to do is say second matrix, and just hit enter, and now it'll have matrix A. You do this negative 1 button, okay, so A to the negative 1, and then matrix B, and it spits out this answer, 2, 3, 5. This is current 1, current 2, current 3. So you could do all these by hand, but this is how you would do it in your calculator. So now I know that current 1 is 2 amps, current 2 is 3 amps, current 3 is 5 amps.